The indoor GPS solutions are being deployed across industries, from healthcare to energy to retail. But nowhere is this more powerful than in the industrial construction industry, where our real-time location system can bring full visibility to job site operations, and more importantly, reduce injuries and even save lives.
Here at Skanska, we are very dedicated to safety. My goal on any given day is to make sure that every individual that came here goes home in the same manner. We're here in the Seaport Innovation District of Boston.
101 Seaport is a commercial office building. It's 17 occupied stories with an 18th floor mechanical penthouse. Our senior superintendent kicks off every morning with a daily huddle where he goes over a safety briefing for the trades. If we knew there was a way to get that message out to people real time, that would definitely be a benefit, not only to them and their safety, but also to us from a management perspective to make sure that we keep people out of the places they shouldn't be.
Project managers and EHS managers can dynamically define hazardous areas within their existing building models, both at the start of a project and dynamically as project conditions evolve. When a worker enters one of these zones, the Precision RTLS tag embedded inside a safety vest alerts the wearer immediately using visual and audible feedback. Incident information gets reported back to identified managers via any number of individually customized notification options and logged for later analysis.
We can keep that data to track historical incidents. So for example, if the same trade laborer is continuously putting himself in jeopardy, perhaps his supervisor can sit down and say, we've noticed that you've had 4 near incidents when you left the building without fall protection, for instance. So these are the types of things that we can track.
The same system that monitors safety in real time passively logs job site location data that is used to drive efficiency and address the constant and growing demand for accurate attendance and incident reporting information.
Real-time location would absolutely give us the ability to track people and equipment and progress on any given day at any given time, and it would help us in our scheduling process because we estimate amount of time for any given activity, and we can find out if our estimates are correct and utilize that information to compress and make sure that what we're putting on paper is actually what's happening in the field.
From a management standpoint, I think there are numerous benefits to being able to tell who's working where and when. For starters, something as simple as if we expect a crew up in the 18th floor penthouse to be working on the chiller plant, if I can log into my iPad from my desk and see that they're actually there working versus spending 20 minutes to traverse up to the penthouse, that is a huge time saver right there. Then we can also take it to the historical record perspective. Having a real-time record of who was where working on which aspect of the project at any given time would definitely help us to accurately evaluate change orders to make sure that the owner is receiving fair benefit from the additional dollars they're spending on change order work.
We're starting this in construction, and then we are going to migrate this equipment and the technology over into the building operations. So we're going to learn during the construction process all the different aspects and uses of RTLS relating to safety and efficiency and uses that we haven't even yet determined. We can show this technology to our clients and to the industry and develop new use cases for it as we actually inhabit our building. So I'm very excited that this will be a true living laboratory.
Indoor GPS made easy.